Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Hedda, coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Tuesday, May 8th, 2018. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 61 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 82 and a low of 58. With sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Kayla, Chinmayi, Isabella, Sadvi. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Cubs won against the Miami Marlins with a score of 14-2. And the Sox will play the Pittsburgh Pirates tonight at 7:10. Clubs meeting at 3 today are Salsa Dance Club in room 103. Clubs meeting tomorrow morning at 7:45 are Coders Club in the library, Art Studio Apprentices in room 104, PBIS Ambassadors in room 103, Kind Kids Club in 201, and Student Council at 112. Today's announcements are: today's special lunch from Culver's. Tuesday's tip is: when you talk, you are only repeating what you already know. But if you listen, you may learn something new. That's all for today. This week's pictures and sign-offs are brought to you by the Art Room. Have a Toulouse-Lautrec Tuesday.